MicroDial tapering jig makes tapered cuts on the table saw, router table, and bandsaw with incredible accuracy and repeatability. It's designed to work with your grippers, giving you incredible precision and control. No more marking and eyeballing your tapered cuts. The MicroDial packs an astounding 112 preset angles down to the 1/8 of a degree, allowing you to quickly and accurately lock in your angle using one of the color match dials. If you don't know the exact angle of your taper, the other dial can be set to the desired rise and run. The MicroDial features 2 memory stops, allowing you to switch between 2 angles quickly and with 0 guesswork. It also includes a joining heel, allowing you to make straight line rips on stock without a prepared edge. Cut tapered legs for your next mid-century modern style piece, then bring it over to the router table and add some decorative detail. You want to make the same cut months or years later? No problem. The MicroDial will lock back into any angle down to the 1/8 of a degree. No other tapering jig offers this level of accuracy, safety, and repeatability. The MicroDial comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee and extended 3-year warranty. Experience the difference. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. MicroJig. Work safer, work smarter.